Aloha. I am known as Auntie Mopsy Protect Pāia. I am the third generation of the Kekokuna Ohana, and I live here at 37 A'e Place in Pāia. There are only two Kanaka Maoli Hawaiian families who live here on the shoreline of Pāia Bay, the Kekokuna and the Silva Ohana. We have lived here 90 years plus, and we continue to malama this aina so that it will be here for our future generations who will be able to live here. Gentrification has been instrumental in trying to change our lifestyle here in Pāia. Unfortunately, one of our businessmen who has acquired properties around our Hawaiian families has made it his mission to change the makeup of our neighborhood. He feels that he is above the law in dictating and bullying to us the use of the properties. He believes that what he does is good for the community. His actions has led me to become a voice for our families who live here on the shore. My voice against his dictatorship has led me into legal battle that has lasted for almost 3 years and still continues. He has caused me hardship and legal fees. He has continued to find ways to bully me and the neighborhood, and it has been a long gone legal hardship. So I continue to be a voice for our ancestors to malama our aina. I humbly ask for your kokua with our live auction to help cover the ongoing legal fees. Help me to protect Pāia and the two remaining Kanaka Maoli Hawaiian families who live here on the shoreline of Pāia. I ask Keakua's blessings to be with us all on this journey. I remain Auntie Mopsy.